So guys, what we're going to be doing today is installing the Wi-Fi antenna to an NBT EVO head unit. Now, for this installation, you'll need two tools. You'll need a T20 driver and a trim removal tool. If you're very experienced, you don't even need a trim removal tool, but for the purpose of this video, I'll be showing you with a trim removal tool. This particular car is a BMW 2 Series, more specifically a 240i. Now, other cars such as 3 Series and 4 Series have a slightly different trim on the dashboard, which you can remove in the same way. So this sort of installation works for all vehicles of NBT EVO. Just slight differentiation. Oh, let me start again. It's just slightly different trims that you need to remove. So let's crack on with it. All right, so put a trim removal tool somewhere you find a gap in the trim. If your trim is being very difficult like this one is, then find a second trim removal tool and also place in to a similar gap and gently pry until it becomes loose, just like so. Now, once this is loose, it's pretty much easy to get off. There you go. You will have, most of the time you will have two connectors here. The first one, very easy to take out, you can just pull it out. Second one, this one's a little bit more difficult, but just be patient with it and it will come off. There you go. So let's put this to one side. Now you will see we have two T20 screws here, 1 and 2. Get your T20 driver and undo these. Okay, after you've undone these T20 screws, you will remove the fascia. Just a quick reminder, on some vehicles you will have 4 T20 screws, 2 up here and 2 down here. On this particular vehicle, there's only 2 at the top. So gently pull until you see the clips release, and you can leave that one hanging because there's no need for this to be disconnected. You have 2 more T20 screws for your NBT EVO unit. So let's remove those. That's 1. That's 2. What we're going to do, gently pull out the unit, and I don't know if the camera can see over here, there is a pink connector right there. That's where we're going to be plugging in the Wi-Fi antenna. Now, some people get mistaken and plug it into a blue one, which is on the corner, but this one doesn't have the blue one. So just remember, it's that pink one there. If you get stuck, just drop a comment in the comments below or get in touch with us and we can help you out. So we're going to grab our Wi-Fi antenna. All good quality ones come with a sticky 3M backing tape. Some people use this to stick somewhere nice and neatly. What I tend to do, just because sometimes they may need to be replaced or they may need to be moved depending on what's going on, I like to gently place it in a nice and secure corner after I've just plugged it in. So let's plug this in. So just a rule of thumb, you want to have the clip, this clip part at the bottom. So that's in. What we're going to do is grab the antenna, neatly place it on one side. That bit you won't be able to see, but you'll get the gist. And that's it. We can put the head unit back in. Oops. There you go. So we're going to do everything in reverse. For the video, I'll speed this up. But let's do everything in reverse, and I will show you the wireless CarPlay is all working now. Please make sure when you are placing this back in after you put the connectors in that you test the buttons are working. Everything's all working there, so that's good. So you want to gently apply some pressure across the trim. So that's all popped in. Well, this is something that I like to do. I like to run my thumb along the edges to make sure there's no gaps, meaning it's in place properly. So that's it. So let me show you CarPlay working now. I am going to ask the owner of this vehicle to go onto their Bluetooth list on their phone and delete the car, as we've just activated CarPlay, so we want to start a new connection. Thank you to the cameraman who has been helping us with this. So what we want to do is we'll go to connect new device, we'll go to Apple CarPlay, we will confirm, and then from the phone that you're going to be connecting on the Bluetooth list, just find BMW 11156. Yep, and it will pair up. Customer has to, yep, there we go. You have to just press use CarPlay, that pops up on the iPhone. First time it connects should take about 10 to 20 seconds, normally quicker, and there you have it. So because this is an ID6 on the later version, we have a touchscreen functionality there, as all the apps that are compatible with CarPlay pop up on the screen. But yeah, thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please leave us a like and comment, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. Thanks.